19 महीने जेल काटी है, तुम्हारी तरह नहीं आ गए हैं और तुम हमको
आप दोनों में इतना ही गट्स है। एक मिनट, आप दोनों में इतना ही गट्स है तो आप गट्स दिखाइए, दुर्गा शक्ति को माफी मांगिए, दुर्गा शक्ति से माफी मांगिए और उसे मेडल दीजिए। सिद्दीकी जी सच्चाई सुनिए। लिसन टू द ट्रूथ मिस्टर सिद्दीकी। आई हैव बीन डिबेटिंग दिस इन दिस यस्टरडे। सिंस यस्टरडे आई हैव बीन डिबेटिंग दिस। मिस्टर सिद्दीकी, allow me to speak. Don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this, Mr. Siddiqui. I will share. No, Mr. Bhadoria, please sit down 1 minute. 1 second. 1 second, Mr. Bhadoria and Mr. Siddiqui, please calm down. I want to state the facts. This is what Durga Shakti did. And I put the referendum to the people of this country. And I hope the Prime Minister is watching this tonight, because the Prime Minister should know that the lady who is not coming out to protect is a lady who has lodged 17 FIRs against the mafia, 274 dumpers, 48 tractors and 4 earth-moving machines were seized by this lady when she was around. If there is a beacon of virtue and honesty at this point of time, it is Durga Shakti. And all of us know how difficult it is to stand up against the system. So let us not give lectures to each other on who has the guts. If the political class of this country has the guts, it should have the guts to come out there and actually felicitate Durga Shakti. This guts is meaningless if the guts ends up in a hollow compromise ahead of the parliament session. 1 minute, Mr. Siddiqui, enough please. 1 minute. 1 minute. Vinod Mehta has been listening on to this, and Vinod Mehta called me this morning and said he feels that this particular incident is an inflection point. Let's hear him. Vinod Mehta, why do you think this is an inflection point? A moment of change. Why do you think Durga Shakti's story is so important, Mr. Mehta?
Because I think, Arnab, we are quite used to outrages in this country. They happen almost every day. But this is the mother of all outrages. And what this has done is the fact that the country, it has shown between the rulers and the ruled, the widening gap. I mean,
I'm losing the audio line. 1 minute.
In the country.
Yeah, go ahead.
And though people are silent, they are watching this. Now, I expected nothing better from the Samajwadi Party. I mean, I think they are beyond the ken. And Arnab, I have appeared on your program when Mr. Akhilesh Yadav became Chief Minister, and we all expressed great hope that he was going to do something. Well, I think he is a pathetic Chief Minister.
Pathetic is the word.
I am not talking so much about him. I am talking about the Congress Party.
Yeah.
I am saying, why isn't the Congress Party and the government at least making a statement in support of this lady? I mean, why are you silent when this outrage
Answer that, Rita Bahuguna Joshi.
When this whole thing about communal violence is a lie, it was a lie from day one, Arnab. It was
absolutely it was, sir. We know.
The story broke that this was not about communal violence. It was about sand mafia, and it was about illegal money.
No, you see,
but my great regret is that I have not heard a word from the Congress Party spokesman, from the Prime Minister's office. Rita Bahuguna says that the Prime Minister can't appear on television. I understand that. But at least a statement can come out from the...
Well, absolutely. Rita Bahuguna Joshi's turn to respond. Anupam Kher, I'm coming to you in a minute.
Can I respond to this?
Yeah, but before you respond, I want to remind you of one thing, Rita Bahuguna Joshi. I want to remind you of one thing. Can I remind you of one thing, Rita Bahuguna Joshi? I want to remind you that when Mayawati suspended 2 IAS officers reportedly for praising, and you know you will not like what I'm going to say, because reportedly they praised Rahul Gandhi in Amethi in 2008, you had immediately jumped in and said revoke the suspensions of these officers. So if you fight for officers who praise Rahul Gandhi, Ms. Rita Bahuguna Joshi, why the prevarication in this case? In this case, your government says it is a decision to be taken by the state government. Did you ask the state government before you jumped to the defense of IAS officers who are praising Rahul Gandhi? Come on, Ms. Joshi. Why?
Can I respond, please?
Yes,
Can
please.
I respond?
Yes, please.
You see, as far as the Congress Party is concerned, right from the chairman of the communication media cell, right from Mr. Tiwari, who is a minister communications, and all the spokespersons have clearly said that this is apparently and very clearly is a case of vindictiveness, because this lady was very upright. This officer should be patted on the back for
Then why is the Prime Minister doing nothing?
She is brilliant. She is good, and we have all said that it seems that they've taken shelter of this incident and they have penalized her because she took on the sand mafia.
But we will do nothing.
We really appreciate her.
But we will do nothing.
But as far as the government is, and we have already clearly said that the government of UP is standing in front. See, it's an issue of governance. If the entire bureaucracy is standing up, then our objection is that how could the Chief Minister suspend an officer on the sake on the
No,
complaint?
but if you know everything, why will you do nothing? No, 1 second. If you know all this, why will you do nothing?
Who will say that there is 1 second. We have said, and we clearly asked this question to Mr. Nawaz Siddiqui, that who will tell the government whether the position there is volatile, whether there is a fear of any unrest, because it's the DM, it's the SP, it's the Commissioner, and all of their reports are very sound.
Why is the Prime Minister not...
Why is the Prime Minister not doing anything?
It's a very simple thing. The Prime Minister can make a statement and say that the government supports this lady. You don't have to withdraw support. You don't have to fight with the SP. Just show your solidarity with this woman. This lady who is an exemplar of public rectitude, this lady who has behaved with such dignity, such poise, such political correctness, and what a wonderful name she has also got. Why can't you make a simple two-line statement that we support this lady?
Well, I'll
Prime Minister make the statement.
I'll tell you, there are mixed signals, Miss Joshi. 1 second, I'm going to Miss Joshi. Miss Joshi, let me go to Anupam Kher.
In support of her.
No, I'll tell you. No, Miss Joshi, there are mixed signals. Your center is not talking in a straight voice. Manish Tiwari says it is a decision taken by the state government and commenting on it further would not be correct. Sushil Kumar Shinde says government officers. Sushil Kumar Shinde says government officers must work within the ambit of the law. Certainly, the bureaucracy must have freedom, but the bureaucracy must work under the ambit of the law. I believe in that. So the bureaucracy must work under the ambit of the law.
True.
But our allies can join the mafia. But our allies can join the mafia.
Not at
Our allies can support the mafia. Our allies can be partners of the mafia. We will do nothing against them.
Words clearly indicated and said she had taken on the sand mafia, and we congratulate.
No, but if you know she doesn't want your congratulations or your sympathy.
Suspension is concerned, as far as administrative decisions are concerned, the Congress party cannot come forward.
When will that happen? After the general elections? After the general elections, when this lady has been persecuted for a long time, when the UP government has taught her a lesson, when she has been isolated, when she's been psychologically harassed, when she's been traumatized, you will act after that?
You also understand. If the Akhilesh Yadav government has jumped its jurisdiction in not waiting for a report from the
Anupam Kher,
for the Commissioner, from the SP to take before taking a decision, you want the central government also to do the same?
Anupam Kher,
until there is a report from the state government, how do they act?
Anupam Kher, I'm sorry to come to you last. You've listened to all sides. Where do you stand, Anupam Kher? What do you think Durga Shakti's fight is now turning to?
Arnab, from the beginning of the show, you've been asking why isn't the Prime Minister commenting on it. But I think he said long time back the compulsions of coalition government. So he's answered your questions long time back. It's very simple. No politician will criticize another politician knowing in his heart of heart that what has happened is absolutely wrong. We heard Mr. Narendra Bhati yesterday clearly saying that in 41 minutes time he got Durga Shakti Nagpal transferred. What is more evidence required over here? Everybody on the channel, I totally agree with Mr. Vinod Mehta that it's a blatant misuse of power by politicians for an honest civil servant. And I'm glad that the national television and I'm glad that there is a debate happening, but I hope that the debate continues. I hope that everybody apologizes to her for doing complete misdeeds to her. You see, there is, otherwise nobody will want to do anything honest in this country. Nobody will want to, because politicians are teaching honest people not to be honest. And that is the tragedy of this country. That is the, we victimize those people, and at some stage, thank God, as he said earlier, that there are a lot of people, I'm sure, being victimized on this. This is a case which came in front, so we could do that. That letters have come from the DM. There are letters over there. So what else do we want? But every politician always does his homework based on which political party he represents or she represents.
No, the most shocking part, the
point is, this is a complete impotency on the part of system, complete impotency. Why isn't the IS organization, I don't know if there is an organization coming together, and if they stop working for one day, why aren't they stopping working for one day, say that, in support of her? Then let's not work, the whole government machinery will collapse. Everything that happens in this country, which the politicians claim to be doing themselves, happens with the help of civil servants, with the help of bureaucracy. So bureaucracy needs to come in at this time and sort of say that, okay, we suspend work for one day because there is a absolute honest officer being victimized in the name of communalism, in the name of, you know Mr. Narendra Bhati, what he spoke yesterday, and he was addressing a gathering. It was not a
you know what is terrible, you know what is terrible, Mr. Kher, you know what is terrible, Mr. Kher, is that what has come out is that there is so much desperation in these political parties like the Samajwadi Party, Mr. Siddiqui. You are so desperate to communalize the situation somehow. Your letter, your Rajendra Chaudhary is your spokesman, right? No, 1 minute. Rajendra Chaudhary is your party spokesman. Yes. He's drawing a comparison. He's talking about Babri Masjid and this in the same breath. And then he's saying things such as मस्जिद की दीवार तोड़ के सांप्रदायिकता के को हवा देने वालों के साथ सरकार सख्ती से पेश आएगी and all that. Why is he saying? Why is he manufacturing lies? वो झूठ क्यों बोल रहे हैं? सांप्रदायिकता को बढ़ावा वो शायद देना चाहते हैं. वो क्यों देना चाहते हैं? इतने डेस्परेट भी हो गए समाजवादी पार्टी, क्या आज इतनी डेस्परेट हो गई है? इतनी डेस्परेट हो गई है कि किसी तरह से लोगों को पोलराइज करने की कोशिश होगी. या फिर इसलिए कि आपके झूठ को पकड़ा गया. यू वर कॉट रेड हैंडेड, इसलिए आपको किसी तरह का एक एक्सक्यूज चाहिए, आपको बहाना चाहिए, इसलिए आप सांप्रदायिकता का बहाने को सामने ला रहे हैं.
No. I am here in front of you. I am saying that there was, the only thing is that there was a communal tension which.
No, communal tension. There was no communal tension. No, there was no communal tension.
No.
No, there was no communal tension.
We got the LIU report.
No, there was no communal. How do you know there was communal tension? How do you know? The district magistrate says there was no communal tension. How do you know better?
So,
how do you know? No, how do you know there was communal tension? Prove to me. No, don't make irresponsible comments. Where was the communal tension?
Can I ask a question?
Okay, Anupam Kher is asking a question. TSR Subramaniam coming to you. Meenakshi Lekhi after that. Anupam Kher.
So, if
one second. I lost the line. 1 second.
It can be a silly question.
Mr. Siddiqui, are you back?
No. What?
Okay, yes, Mr. Siddiqui. Anupam Kher आपको सवाल पूछ रहे हैं. Go ahead. फिर से लाइन गई, बट आपको शायद आवाज जा रही है. गो अहेड मिस्टर खेर.
चलिए मान लेते हैं आपकी बात को एक सेकंड के लिए मान लेते हैं कि कम्युनल टेंशन हो सकती थी. व्हाट डिड यू अचीव बाय सैकिंग हर और बाय डिसमिसिंग हर?
देयर वाज नो कम्युनल टेंशन, मिस्टर खेर. No, Mr. Kher, there was no communal tension.
No, I'm just saying, that you read out. I'm just saying that. Suppose for a second, suppose he's saying that.
No, but why should we suppose that, Mr. Kher? Why should we suppose that, Mr. Kher, there was no communal tension?
Because he is not, Arnab, because he is not agreeing with you.
It doesn't matter if he doesn't agree. He doesn't know. No. I am not one of those journalists who believe that just because a politician says it, he's right. The politician can be wrong. He's 100% wrong. He's 200% wrong, Mr. Siddiqui.
Like Kher Saab, you said.
I would like to.
Kher Saab, you said.
I would like to ask
बिल्कुल गलत नहीं. एक मिनट सिद्दीकी जी कहिए.
Question to Naveed जी.
नहीं 1 second. Now एक मिनट. I'll come to you, Rita Bahuguna Joshi. पहले सिद्दीकी जी आप कहिए.
अर्नब
जवाब दीजिए. सिद्दीकी जी जवाब दीजिए अनुपम खेर को.
जी.
आप जवाब दीजिए अनुपम खेर को.
नहीं बिल्कुल. मैं यहाँ जवाब देने के लिए आया हूँ साहब. मैं इसीलिए आया हूँ यहाँ पे, और मैं आपसे बता रहा हूँ कि लाइक दिस इज द थिंग कि यहाँ पे ये चीज जो हुई उनको रिपोर्ट करना चाहिए टू द सीनियर ऑफिसर्स, और यहाँ इमीडिएटली, क्योंकि अगर कंट्रोवर्शियल इशू था.
नहीं, जहां कम्युनल एक नहीं हुई, आप क्यों आपने एक मिनट मीनाक्षी लेखी
बयान को क्या कहते हैं वो?
नहीं जहां
व्हाट डज ही हैव टू से अबाउट नरेंद्र भाटीज स्पीच देन?
ओके खेर साहब,
If that is the
नरेंद्र
case,
भाटी
what
साहब
does
ने
he
जो भी
want to
कहा
say
है,
about Narendra
उसमें
Bhati's
क्या-
speech?
I'm telling you, Narendra Bhati is.
क्या कहा?
मैंने भी
हाँ,
सुना
बोलिए।
speech. He is saying के I got her suspended in 40 minutes.
Yeah.
He's saying because she just brought down the boundary wall of that.
She
mosque.
didn't bring it down. The
That's why.
villagers
He was
were
not-
bringing it down. 1
he
minute.
was-
You again
he
फिर
was-
झूठ बोल रहे हैं आप.
भाटी
आप फिर
साहब-
गलत बात बोल रहे हैं.
भाटी
आप
साहब,
फिर
अरे
गलत
साहब-
बात बोल रहे हैं. She
भाटी
did not.
साहब-
1 minute. 1 minute.
अर्नब भाटी
1 minute. यानी कि
अर्नब 1 minute.
नहीं, आप
भाटी
क्या
साहब
चाहते हैं?
never-
आप क्या चाहते हैं?
भाटी साहब
आप क्या
never-
चाहते हैं? आप क्या चाहते हैं कि समाजवादी पार्टी के वहां पे जो लोकल राजनेता है उनको हैंड ओवर किया जाए? स्टेट गवर्नमेंट शुड बी हैंडेड ओवर टू देम कि देखिए ऐसा है, आजकल हम लोग जितने IAS ऑफिसर्स हैं, जितनी ब्यूरोक्रेसी है, हम लीव पे चले जाएंगे और समाजवादी पार्टी के जो लोकल लीडर्स हैं, पहलवान है, वो चलाएंगे उत्तर प्रदेश को. You want Uttar Pradesh to run like that?
No. It's not only with the IAS. I'm talking about my government. I'm talking about.
No, Mr. Siddiqui, आप बिल्कुल एक्सपोज हो चुके हैं. बुरा मत मानिए,
No, we are
मगर
not
इसमें तो
exposed.
बिल्कुल
We have
एक्सपोज
done-
हो
no,
चुके हैं आप.
CM has taken the right decision.
CM आप
The
कैसे,
CM
you
has
can
taken
keep
the
saying, now
right
मीनाक्षी
decision.
लेखी
I stay here,
say,
stay.
रीटा बहुगुणा जोशी
Still on the international national channel. I
Jodha
say